guys, today so I'm doing a transmission oil change for Ford Focus 2008. So let's begin. So this is where the transmission pan at the passenger side in front. So this how it looks like. So let's start. So what I did this before today was I soaked the bolt in I sprayed brake cleaner on it so that it will be easy for me to lose, because 2008 is old and this has gotten, some of it has gotten some rust already. So let me take it out now. So the size actually uses is 8 mm socket, not 10. So it will be messy. So I'm still opening it and nothing is dripping yet. So I'm taking it from this angle, the front, back, taking the bolt, using the bolt out little by little until I start seeing it drip. So I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. So let me try and see if I can use my hand to push this a little bit. If it will open, slide out. So I'm left with just one bolt, because I don't want this place to be messy. So I'll try and shake this a bit and not bend the corners, so this can drain, because I think this has not been changed since this car was made. So it's stocked. Even I took out all the bolts and the thing was still suspended up. It didn't come off. I tried my best. Yeah, I'm fine. So I'm glad this is out. DIY doesn't prepare you for something. So the pan was seriously stocked here. So what I did was, while the pan was up here, this way, what I did was I had to use a flat to pry it out from this side, just this angle, pry it out and push. Then I was able to get it open. So let's go ahead to take out this filter. So we'll take out this filter. Before we do that, have to move out this sensor. Carefully take it out, the sensor. Then we still have some oil left that should drip out from this when I take out this filter. I should have used my glove. So that's the outlet. There's the filter. So for the oil to drain completely, I have to open the fill area. The fill area is just beside the battery and beside the air vent. So it's just here. This is the fill area. Take out the dipstick. To clean this now, take out the magnet and clean it also. So before I do that, I have to measure. Let me about 2 points. It's above 2.5 liters, almost 3 liters. So this is the same quantity I'll pour inside, but I will still measure it while I'm pouring it inside. So with the dipstick. So I'm done cleaning it. This is the magnets. And this is the pan. I cleaned it so well that it felt like brand new. Everything is clean. So much towels I had to use and brake cleaner. So let's go ahead to fix it back. That's the position of the magnet. I started it back. So let me get the new filter and gasket. So this is the new filter. I bought this in GSF in the UK. GSF for almost £22, 21.49 I think. So this is the filter, or the filter, and the gasket. So I snugged it in this way so that it'll be easy for me to install it back. Putting the bolts inside through the gasket on the pan. So let's go ahead and install it back. Go ahead and install the new filter. So when installing a new filter, make sure it sits here and here. So you look for that in the filter, which is this side and this area. So just insert it this way. Yeah, to hear a click, then put back the sensor. And cover it. This up now. First of all, what I did was I first tightened it by hand so that I can feel that the bolt properly threading into its location. So now we have that. It's not going to be fun because we have 20 knots, 20 bolts here. So let's go ahead to tighten it properly. I'm just going to use my drill to push it in a bit, and I'll tighten it by hand. Then tighten. So the way I tighten this, I'm going to do it for the other 19 bolts. So I'm done tightening it. Let me just clean this area. Then let's go and fill it up. This is the type of oil I bought for it. Is 5 liters, and I'm about to find out if it's going to take 3 liters or more by 3 liters or more. So this is automatic. I bought this in GSF for £45 here, for £5. Yeah. So let's go ahead and fill this up. Ended up putting the same quantity that came out, which was 2.5 liters. So that's the properly gauge. So it's about 2.6, 2.7 liters. Then shift through your gears from park to reverse to neutral to drive. Shift it back and forth like 3 times, then drive around, and that's it. Thanks for watching.